Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. Today I'm going to be testing out the new shotgun. I have no clue what it's been like. I know it came out a while ago, but I have not been playing for a while. So yeah, we're going to head straight into that. I have not tested it out at all. No idea. My friend said it's really good, but I don't know if it is. Comment down below if you like my new emote. Ready? Comment down below if you like it. It's my new emote. Okay guys, we're going to go in first round testing the new shotgun. Turn that down a bit. Haven't played for a while. Okay, first round guys, loading in. Comment down below if you guys have used the new shotgun or like it so far. Okay, oh, I'm pretty sure this is a new shotgun guys. I don't know Ranger. It just looks just like a pump, it's just longer. That is sick. Oh, green window's 137.10. I'm gonna go shifty. Because there's a few chests around there. Just land on this mountain. Okay, another chest here, please. Oh, no way. I found it. Okay, guys, we have found the new shotgun. We'll try to get better ones off it. I don't know. Let's see how. Oh, it's reloaded very fast. Ready? I'm gonna try to kill this guy with it. No! He boogie bombs both of us. That is sick! That is actually sick! I was about to kill this right now. Can't take that, it's tempting. I actually like the new shotgun. It's reloaded very fast. And did you see me one tap that guy? It's a grey. They look the exact same as this pumps. They just got longer bits of meat. Oh, I was about to use it. He was trying to pickaxe me. I think I'm just going to use this. Not in there. I thought there was going to be a blue one in there or a green one. If there was, I would have played it. I like these. I mean, they're not new anymore, are still taller than you. Oh, I don't like them as much as the old ones though. Oh, might as well bandy up. I don't know, but I haven't played in a while. They might have put a new bandage pack. We got 3 kills. I didn't know. Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember. Let's go get our bounty. So we got 2 more launch pads. Bunny hop. So I'm gonna remove here. Does that count as a vehicle? Oh, it does. That should be it. This big thing should be a vehicle, I think. Well, it is a blimp, but it does have an engine. I don't want to waste my ammo. Then we got 3. What was funny in here? Maybe they've got a green version of the new shotgun. Let's say range. Comment below if you think they actually look the same as a pump. I actually do. They just got the longer end on it. That's checking. I use this to scan for people and then I get out my AR and shoot. Because this can actually see where they are. See? Go here. Oh, crap. Look at the shotgun. Oh my gosh, I just got a purple one. No! True. Oh. I always heal in the open for some reason. It's just fun. Fighting over there. I don't want to lose my victory crown or my new shotgun. Because I really don't get victory crowns much. Just in a game, just sitting on the floor. I don't have much wins this season. I've got about 7 wins this season. I don't know how many crown wins though. got 3, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 2. But I've got 7 wins altogether. So I haven't been playing much. I think someone's on there. I have got the crown. I need to win this. The new shotgun. Okay. We need to find some more people to test this new one. Single heal on me, I don't know why. I haven't used the blue bombs yet either. I need to test out. Spot for now. Hello. 42. He's got sniper or something. Oh no. I'm just gonna go. No! I didn't see him there. I thought he would not see me, but he did. Okay guys, that's round 1. I'm gonna have one more round of finding the new shotgun. One more. Actually, nah. How did that? I never knew there was 2 people there. Okay, guys, we're gonna end that video off right there. I'll probably do one later today or tomorrow. Because I might do one. I can't tell you yet. I might do one. Oh, I can't tell you. It's so tempting. Okay, we're gonna end that video right there. See you soon.